Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to host a website for free with WordPress and get a free domain name. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into it. In the URL tab, let's type Infinity Hosting and you can see infinityfree.net. So we'll click here. You can check the site, it's pretty good. It's provided free hosting, fast hosting, unlimited, and yeah, it's good. So now you have to click on the client area, which is on the top right corner. Let's just sign out to show you the proper way. Yeah, so here you can see a email address tab, a password tab, and if you're new you can just click on sign up and sign up the process. And just I will enter my email address and password and click in on sign in. So yeah, these are my projects. You can see here you don't have to do anything here, just click on create account button. So create account, yeah, and here are the subdomains, so you can pick any free domain you like. So by entering search domain, so I have a domain, I will click custom domains and write my domain, that is xavel.co.in, and click on search domain. So yeah, here you have to write a password for your domain name. So I will choose a password and click on I am not a robot and create account. So in this page you have to just click on view client area and this page will be directed. So you have to wait for a few minutes and then click on refresh. So I'll come back. So I'll click on refresh and it says it activated. As you can see here, it's activated. The FTP details you don't need now. Just click on control panel and it will ask you to provide I approve. Click on I approve button. You can read this, I already done that. So it's a proper cPanel of any of the website. Here you can do any of the stuffs you like. So just go to software section and click app installer, and here you can see WordPress. Just click on install, leave this as it is, just don't do anything here. And in the site name you can change anything. I will write a trial website, and inside description I will write anything, yeah, anything. And here you can choose a password. So let's change the password to pass at 11, and then here is the theme section. So we'll do it later. Just click on install and it will take hardly 30 seconds, so just wait. Yeah, so it says it done. So now we have to open our site. So let's type xavel.co.in, xavel. So yeah, it's a welcome page. It's saying yeah, it's installed and all. Welcome to WordPress and all. So you can see the URL, it's not tidy. So we can change it. So we'll close this page first. We don't need this now. So now here we have to just clear the extra URL. Just keep our domain name and write /wp-admin. So it will redirect you to the WordPress admin panel. Here you have to write the admin as a username and password, your password, and just click on login. Here you are directed to the dashboard. Now just you can check out anything you want. I will go to, so we'll just go and click on permalinks and just change the settings of the URL to make it look clean and tidy. So yeah, here you have to choose this option and click on save changes. So it's done. You have to just visit our site by clicking on that option and visit site. And if you click or direct to any of the URL, it will name as simple as that. So it's hello world, better than that. So let's go back to dashboard and just now see the plugins which are installed. These are the plugins, unnecessary the pre-installed plugins. We don't need anything to do here. Just go to pages, all pages, and here you can see the sample pages and privacy policy. Just go to appearance and themes. So we will install a theme now, and you can just click on add new and search here, or just can scroll down and choose any of the themes you like. So I'll choose this and click on install. So wait for it. So as it does, it says to activate again, so click on activate and it's activated. So now we can check it in a page section. So let's go to like page, yeah, and all pages, and here you can see the pages, and you can add the pages you like. So let's go to site and have a look. So guys, the theme has been changed. It has been done in black. So that's all for our video. If you like this video, hit a like button. If you're new, click on the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye bye.